Hello, and thank you for attending this Tech Tip by Design R1 software. Today we're going to go ahead and show you how to use Restore Without Username, one of our tools. I've already downloaded the file, but we'll go ahead and show you where they live. So we're going to open up the Start menu, go to this PC, or if you're running Windows 7, I believe it's called My Computer. If you don't know where your downloads are by default and you haven't changed the default save location on them, over here on the left hand side there's a little quick access. You can click on that and it takes you to your downloads folder. I've already done a little prep work and put all the tools that I'm going to be doing into this DR1 tools downloads folder. So once I'm in there, there we go, restore without username. Go ahead and right click on the once it's selected, right click on the file and then jump down to properties. And again, I've already laid some prep work, but usually any of our downloads has a little unblock button down here or a little checkbox. Check that and then hit OK, or hit the button and then hit OK. That unblocks the download. That unblock doesn't stop you from installing it, it just causes some weird bugs to occur in the program when it's running. So with it still selected, since it's a zip file, we're going to go ahead and right click again, and I'm going to extract those to this folder here. Now we're just going to run the executable, and then this is asking for your ACC admin pack credentials. So while I type these in, alright, now this is the interface for Restore Without Username. The browse button here is looking for the backup path of the database you're trying to restore onto whatever machine you're using that you don't have credentials for, and then you can restore it to a specific location as well. Usually when I run this tool, I also select this box that just attaches the database to SQL and that it doesn't do the act restore. So once this is done, it'll say complete or it'll say done at the bottom. You can click on that box. The Restore Without Username UI will close, and then I can open up ACT, navigate to where the ADF file is in my OpenShare database location, and watch it verify that to make sure that it is actually a ACT database. If you choose not to check this box, it will try and attach or do an ACT restore. Sorry, and if that does fail, you can just run. You can just run Restore Without Username, check this box, and just do the DB attached to SQL as well right afterwards if the initial one fails. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Twitter at DesignR1LLC and on Facebook at DesignR1Software. Thank you, and look forward to the next video.